Good morning and welcome to Ask News with me, Anirudh Nair. And in today's bulletin, we'll be covering the elections 2012. The Uttar Pradesh state has just completed its sixth phase in which Gautam Budh Nagar went to a polling with a voter turnout of 61%. However, once again, the youngsters, mainly college students, seemed less enthusiastic and committed to exercise their franchise. Which brings us to the question, has the youth, to be the future of the state, become disillusioned with democracy? Our reporter Surbhi Parashar tried to figure out the reasons.
Noida and Greater Noida, being education hubs, have a large population of youngsters. But due to the uncovering of major scams like MNREGA and NHRM as well as land acquisition controversy at Greater Noida, the image of government setup has taken a beating. With the clutter of so many candidates for the assembly seats, even educated get confused as to who would be the most competent and honest for the job. Hence, while the state's future is being decided, the youth prefer to stay at home or enjoy the holiday.
Why didn't you cast your vote?
I didn't cast vote because there is caste politics going on in UP. People vote candidates on the basis of their caste. So I would rather prefer going for a movie than to, go and vote.
See, the thing is, there are so many candidates and I don't really think that any of them is worth voting. I feel all of them are corrupt, so I didn't cast my vote.
With Mulayam Singh of SP supporting and promising to drop all charges against the criminals like Vijay Mishra, the youngsters have further lost interest in voting. Although Election Commission is trying hard with its campaign to convince the people to vote and overall turnout is better as compared to last elections, youth still refuses to buy Commission's rhetoric.
No, I won't say I did not cast my vote, but yes, I could not cast my vote because the Election Commission could not provide me with my voter ID card. I did ran to and fro, but the thing did not come to me till the right time. That's why I did not vote.
No, because there is no use. Actually, there is a Gunda Raj in UP and every party is supporting criminal candidates, so there is no use of it. So I didn't vote.
The declaration of assets by the candidates has seen that most of the MLAs have seen an increase of 50% to 200% in their net assets after they came into power in 2007 UP elections. With SP supporting Yadavs and BSP supporting scheduled caste, the caste politics has further alienated the youth of the society from casting their votes, as they believe that casting handful of votes will not make much of a difference. With emergence of leaders like Mr. Abhishek Mishra, who is ex-IIM professor, it serves as a ray of hope for the youngsters for not only to cast votes but also step into the ring as a candidate. This is Surbhi Parashar with cameraman Vidit Devan signing off Ask News.